Hi everyone. In this video we will understand how to perform binary to decimal conversion functions. We can see different combinations of binary numbers have been given in the first row, and the succeeding row consists of their respective decimal values. To get the decimal values of the binary number, we type equals BIN2DEC brackets open, we take the 1 brackets closed, and enter. We get 1 as the decimal value for the binary number 1. Similarly, for 100, we use the same formula and get 4 as its decimal number. For the binary number 111, we get 7 as the decimal value. It is to be noted that the number cannot contain more than 10 characters. We again try to calculate the decimal number for the binary number 1,111,111,111, and we get -1. Negative numbers are represented using 2's complement notation. If the number is not a valid binary number, or if the number contains more than 10 characters, 10 bits, BIN2DEC returns the number error value.